Do you know about duck? Today I will discuss it. This is a white-winged duck, which is called the divine bird in the local language, which is the state bird of Assam. It is found in tropical evergreen forests. They make their nests in the holes of trees. It is on the IUCN Red List because its species is becoming very low. It is a bird that requires an average annual rainfall of 1000 to 1200 mm. It is one of the largest living species of duck after the streamer duck, which is heavier. Its length is 66 to 81 cm and wingspan is 116 to 153 cm. The weight of male duck is 2.94 to 3.9 kilograms, while the weight of female duck is 1.95 to 3.05 kilograms. This duck is found in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, India, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, etc. Its scientific name is Cairina scutulata. Thank you, and please subscribe and like.